Okay, this video from Nifty Thrifty Girl shows you a Kenmore Model 33. This is a basic straight stitch zigzag blind stitch machine with adjustable stitch width, an adjustable stitch length, and feed dog drop. 1.2 amp motor with a basic zigzag means lots of power concentrated on the few internal parts. So this is a workhorse, to say the least. Cosmetically, it's got some paint dings along the front edge here, and just a few here on the nose. And it is tabletop ready, or of course, it is a Kenmore, which means it pretty much has to go in a Kenmore cabinet or carrying case. Will not fit in a Singer case or cabinet. It is green, all metal. Like I said, it is a high shank machine, not the super high shank, just a high shank. It comes with a straight stitch foot, a hammer foot, a hidden zipper foot, and some bobbins, and of course your zigzag foot. Uses 15x1 needles, class 15 standard bobbins, bought anywhere as easy as Walmart. And as I said, it is a workhorse. Freshly serviced, ready to go. Basic 2-layer fabric sample. I'm using a size 16 needle. And also you can do creative embroidery if you choose. Spring-loaded stitch width allows for easy creative embroidery stitches, which I'll go ahead and show you while I'm thinking about it. Pull in your links. Start sewing. Whiten out your stitch as you go. And you get fancy patterns. And of course, leave it on 0. Turn on the blind stitch. And she automatically does a blind stitch pattern. Turn off the blind stitch, and let's just do a zigzag, lock it in place. Very smooth machine. Nice stitches. How about 6 layers of denim? This is a left needle machine, if that makes a difference. Some people it does. Lots of room under the presser foot. You will get these fabric samples. This is 14 layers of cotton. Perfect stitch, 14 layers. As you can see, that doesn't even hardly bend. And last but not least, let's do 3 layers of garment leather. This is what I'm talking about. Lots of room under the foot to lift it up and get your project under there. It's going to be about 6/4 worth. No, that doesn't mean that it's going to sew something that thick. That just means there's less struggle to get your project underneath. Away we go with the 3 layers of leather. Beautiful stitch. Of course, it does make it a little easier on your machine if you invest in an even feed or walking foot. Or a Teflon foot even makes it a little easier. But very, very nice. And that is the Kenmore 1.2 amp all metal model 33.